Hi, I'm Melanie Salemi, the driver of this Eddie Whalen-owned 2019 Camaro. I'm from Buffalo, New York, and I currently compete in the PDRA Pro Boost category.
Light me up just to watch it burn. Built like this, I'm a warrior.
On the racetrack, I wouldn't say there's anything different about me versus any other professional driver. Obviously, I'm female, and there's not any other females in the Pro Boost category currently, but I am a racer, and that's all I really want to be known as at the racetrack, is a badass racer.
Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? 'Cause I was born for this. I was born for this.
I've raced many other places, and I definitely always love coming back to PDRA. It's home for us. The competition is definitely second to none, and I think that each team drives the other teams to continue to work hard and succeed at what we're trying to do. Passion really drives our family in this sport, and what motivates us is succeeding at what we're really passionate about and driving business to our businesses so that we can continue to fund the race car. Not only do we use the race car as a selling tool, but it keeps our family together and it keeps us doing what we're passionate about. Anybody that walks in this gate is welcome to come to my pit and experience seeing what we're doing on the race car between rounds, ask questions. I encourage everybody to bring their children by and get up close and personal with the car and ask questions and see what it's all about and what it takes for our team to prepare the car to get on the racetrack for each run. For my team to get the World Championship at PDRA would mean more than the world to everybody. We've been vying for a championship for multiple years. We got really close last year, and that is our main focus. So we won't go to any other races changing any of our program, because our main focus, starting at World Series, we went there with the mindset that that was testing for what we were going to do at PDRA, because PDRA is our main focus this year, and we need to get that championship.
Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it?